Akshat.
And I'm Akshobhya.
I'm Chiran, and we are a team of grade 7 students from Excel Public School, Mysuru.
We all know that carbon emission is our growing concerns for our planet. Studies show each person emits 1.7 metric tons of carbon each year, which leads for several consequences like climate change, rising temperature, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events.
But did you know that buildings also contribute to carbon emissions?
Especially buildings with large glass windows. They lead to increased temperature and great use of air conditioning and fans.
So, we propose the introduction of green windows for glass windows of homes to combat carbon emissions. The green window is designed to grow algae that absorbs carbon from the air, thus improving air quality, producing biomass, and reducing indoor temperature.
We conducted a series of experiments to test the effectiveness of green window.
We set up two house models in sunlight, one with transparent glass and another with acrylic tank filled with algae water. We recorded the light intensity and the room temperature of both the models. The results show that room with green window has consistently lower temperature and light intensity compared to the room with transparent window for all 3 days. On day 2 and day 3, the temperature in setup 1 was lower than the outside environment, while the setup 2 was higher.
We set up two house models in sunlight, one with transparent glass and another with acrylic tank filled with algae water. Both models were exposed to the same amount of sunlight, and we measured the CO2 levels at regular intervals. Our results showed that the room with green window had consistently lowered the CO2 levels than the room with normal window, suggesting that the algae tank had photosynthesized and absorbed the carbon dioxide from the air.
We measured the weight of algae grown in a green window over the course of 20 days. Our results show that the green window is effective in reducing room temperature, light intensity, and CO2 levels in the room. After 20 days of the experiment, the weight of the algae grown was 23.5 grams.
If you're among the top 100 teams selected, we plan to install green window in our classroom with larger sample size to study the effectiveness over a long period of time and under different climatic conditions. We also aim to analyze and improve the structure of the green window, the cultivation process, and the cleaning process.
I drafted the research document in this project.
I conducted experiments and analyzed the results.
And I helped in building the green window.
We would like to thank our mentor Gopinath sir for guiding us throughout this project. We hope our project will contribute to a sustainable reduction of room temperature and positively impact on architectural design of future buildings. Thank you.